Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side of the screen, we have the RedTiger 4K dashcam, and on the right side, we have the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K. Get ready for some dashcam showdown. Let's start with the most important aspect of a dashcam video quality. The RedTiger 4K dashcam boasts a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p resolution for the rear camera. With its wide-angle lens, you won't miss any details on the road. On the other hand, the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K offers a slightly lower resolution of 2.5K. However, it compensates with its advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, ensuring crystal clear video even in challenging lighting conditions. Both cameras have their strengths, but if you're looking for that extra resolution, the RedTiger 4K dashcam takes the lead. Now let's talk about night vision. The RedTiger 4K dashcam is equipped with WDR technology, providing enhanced super night vision. It balances exposure in low light situations, ensuring clear and sharp footage even in the darkest nights. The VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K also impresses with its super night vision capabilities. Its ultra-large f1.6 aperture and 6-layer lens increase light intake by 60%, resulting in excellent low-light performance. Both cameras excel in night vision, but we have to give a slight edge to the RedTiger 4K dashcam for its WDR technology. Let's move on to connectivity. The RedTiger 4K dashcam comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. You can connect to the camera via the RedTiger app, available for both Android and iOS users. It allows you to quickly access and play back your recorded videos on your mobile phone. The VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K also offers Wi-Fi activity, allowing you to view and manage recordings through their dedicated app. It's fast and convenient for sharing videos with friends and family. Both cameras offer similar connectivity options, but the RedTiger 4K dashcam takes the lead with its built-in GPS for accurate tracking of your vehicle's location, speed, and route. Now let's dive into some additional features. The RedTiger 4K dashcam has loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full. It also has a built-in G sensor that detects sudden movements or impacts, protecting the associated footage from being overwritten. The VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K also offers loop recording and a G sensor. It even has a parking monitoring feature that activates recording upon detecting collisions, ensuring your vehicle is protected even when parked. Both cameras have impressive additional features, but the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K stands out with its dedicated parking monitoring feature. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The RedTiger 4K dashcam is priced at $229, while the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K comes in at a more budget-friendly $89. Keep in mind that the RedTiger 4K dashcam comes with a free 64GB memory card and offers a 12-month warranty with 24/7 after-sales service. The VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K, on the other hand, doesn't include a memory card. When it comes to price, the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K wins the affordability game. The RedTiger 4K dashcam is highly recommended for its superior performance, quality videos, reliability, and user-friendly features. Customers have found it to be better than more expensive brands, with easy installation and automatic on-off function. On the other hand, the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K is also highly recommended for its superior quality, advanced features, and reliable performance. It provides clear and detailed footage with its 2.5K resolution, wide-angle lens, and night vision capabilities. The easy installation process, user-friendly app, and G sensor for automatic incident recording make it a valuable tool for enhancing driving security. And that concludes our comparison of the RedTiger 4K dashcam and the VEEMENT dashcam front 2.5K. Both cameras have their strengths, but it ultimately depends on your preferences and budget. Remember, always consider what features are most important to you before making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where smart shoppers like you make smarter decisions. See you in the next video.